We'll guide you through how to import fonts in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open a web browser that is available on your device. Once the browser is open and ready to use, go to the search bar and search for 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗. This will help you find fonts that you can import and use inside Alight Motion. After the search results appear, open the first website that shows up. Inside the website, you will find many different fonts that you can choose from. For this tutorial, use the font called 𝗧𝗛𝗏𝗡 as an example. Find the font on the website and press the download button located on the right side of the page. Wait for the font file to finish downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and extract it so the font file can be accessed properly. After extracting the font, open Alight Motion on your device. Wait a few moments until the application loads completely. When the app is ready, click Create New Project at the top of the screen to start a new project. After the project has been created, go to the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Press it and select Text to add a text layer to your project. Once the text layer has been added, adjust the alignment according to your needs. After that, open the font option. Inside the font section, press View All Fonts to open the complete font library. When the font library appears, press the three-line menu button located in the top left corner. From the menu that opens, select Import Font, browse through your files, and locate the font that you downloaded and extracted earlier. Select the font file to import it into the application. After the font has been imported successfully, turn on the imported filter. Once the font is applied, adjust the remaining text options such as size and color according to your needs. By following these steps in order, you can successfully import and use custom fonts in Alight Motion for your projects and future text designs.